Hi, Dr. Pam here. Gonna give a little talk about our weight loss options outside of the Ozempic injections. That's all the craze right now. Also, Wegovy and Mounjaro. Most of those are helping with a peptide in our body, and peptides are protein building blocks, or amino acids are protein building blocks. But peptides are those chains of proteins that help with signaling and in communication in our body. So as we age, we lose some of our peptide production, and the GLP-1 is glucagon-like peptide. It's one of the ones that helps control our blood sugar after eating and helps control our appetite so that we feel full and we stop eating sooner, and also that we don't think about food as often, so we don't snack as much. So right now there's a lot of folks who are injecting once a week with things like Ozempic and Wegovy to help with that. But how do we naturally boost our production of GLP-1? One of the ways is through our microbiome, and which is the good bacteria in our intestines. And there was a product that I had posted about a little while ago called Akkermansia. This is the Akkermansia probiotic from a company called the Akkermansia Company. So Akkermansia just helps to boost our natural production of the GLP-1 to help control our appetite. This particular product also includes green tea extract as well as some chromium. Chromium's been known to help control our glucose levels, a little bit of vitamin B2 and a little bit of vitamin D. So I've been taking this one for about 6 to 7 weeks. It does take about 6 weeks for that Akkermansia to build up in our gut to start to notice a difference in our appetite. And I will say that I have noticed some improvements with that. However, my understanding is it really isn't as strong as when you are injecting the GLP-1. At least so far, the effect I'm getting is not the same as if you would be injecting that. Time will tell if that will get better. So another company that makes a Akkermansia product is called Pendulum, and this is one of their products called Metabolic Daily. It's about the same cost as the Akkermansia company's product, but it is different in a way. They both have Akkermansia in them, but this one has other probiotics that help to enhance the effect of this, one of which is Clostridium butyrate. And if you've studied gut health in the past, butyrate is more of a postbiotic, and that helps to grow and keep around the good bacteria that we're needing for healthy metabolism. So that potentiates or increases the benefits of the Akkermansia. There's a couple other strains as well. So there's 5 strains in this one. One of them requires refrigeration to stay as strong as the bottle says that it is. But it doesn't lose too much effectiveness. If you have to travel, you can pack the few days worth that you need for travel and maybe not necessarily refrigerate it. This does have a capsule that has an acid resistance on it, so it might irritate some people's stomachs. So it is effective if you take it on an empty stomach, but it may feel better for you, less nauseating if you take it with food. Both of these products will take about 6 weeks before you'll notice a major impact on your appetite, but it's a pretty exciting to think about how we all could improve our metabolism and improve our blood sugar control. Because when you have better sugar control, you have better energy, you have a better mood, you should sleep better, you should have less soreness with workouts, and just have better stamina and strength during your workouts. We know that dementia is now being called type 3 diabetes because our blood sugar is so connected with our brain health. So there's so many benefits you can have from improving your GLP-1. And if you're somebody who's been struggling with your weight and you feel like you're not eating any more than you used to, but your weight is going up, then this is probably a product that would help you. All right, thanks. Hope you enjoyed it.